This message is on gratitude. You will find that it is easier to go through life when you are thankful. Everything seems a little brighter, a little more wonderful, a little more spectacular. You will find that going out in the world is a little easier with gratitude in your heart, with thoughts of thankfulness. For when you believe that you are abundant, the feeling is a vibration that is sent out, and like a magnet attracts the same. Even though you may not have whatever it is you want or need in the present moment, when you are thankful for what you do have, such as your own life, the fact that you woke up this morning, that you are able to make your choice anew, that you are able to change your mind, change your beliefs, your thoughts, the fact that you have free will to choose what you think. The point that when information is presented to you, you can stop and choose to accept it or to reject it as untrue to you. You can always change your mind. You have this power, and that is the true power of gratitude, of thankfulness, of being aware, being in a high state of emotions. They say like attracts like, and that is true. For you cannot receive what you are not willing to freely give. You cannot receive good and abundance if you are in a constricted state of lack and greed. So start your day off with thankfulness. Have reminders all over your house to be thankful, even if it just is for the most precious thing, which is your life. Be thankful and rejoice and be happy and do good for people. Rethink of what abundance is, of what freedom is, of what true power is. Is it not to be able to make your own choices, to decide for yourself, to think for yourself? It is a responsibility as well, for you reap what you sow. What you believe, what you think, what you say, what you feel is put out there, and then it returns to you. That is how you create your experience. So take stock around you. If you feel any negative emotions, they are a feedback loop. They tell you what is working and what is not working based on what you want, what you feel. If you feel frustrated by a certain experience that keeps happening every day, maybe it is your children who stay up till 10 p.m. while you want sleep. Well, something's not working. So when you're frustrated, that's a feedback that it's not working for you. That means you have to change your beliefs, change your mind, change your thinking. And that will in turn change how you feel, change what you do, change what you experience. So try something different. And you don't have to do this alone. You may ask for help. You may start with the closest people to you, your spouse, your partner, your children, online community. Try something else if you don't like what you're experiencing now. What you believe now, if you're feeling any negative emotions, revisit those beliefs and change it up. You may take baby steps slowly and keep experimenting and trying until you find what you desire, which in many cases is peace of mind, loving heart, feeling fulfilled, feeling that you have all the resources and all the relationships that make you whole without worry. Isn't that the ultimate goal? To not worry, to express yourself to your truest being. Think for yourselves. Revisit your beliefs. Be thankful for the heat in your home, for your home, for your work that provides you money, for clean, fresh water, for the clothes that you wear. For if you had none of that, where would you be? What about the relationships that are with you? What about yourself? Are you at peace and happy with yourself? If not, just be gentle and kind and slowly take steps to change that. Set yourself a time scale. When will you change that? Is it next year? Is it in a month? Is it on Monday? Is it tomorrow? Or is it right now? Make the decision. Decide. Decide. What do you want? Why do you want it? How will you go about getting that? When will you do it? Now do it. Surround yourself with people that support you, be it in person or online. You are never alone. Go inward, as we are always here. We love you and we are here. Just ask for help and we will help guide you. We will. We are here for you. The angels, the spirit guides, the energies, source, the energy that is all around you in the very air you breathe. Trust and believe it is more real than your real world. Have a blessed day. And I thank you for your time. And I thank you for reconsidering everything you know. Namaste.